Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 7th NCERT Chapter of Data Handling. This is third question of its exercise 3.4. So the question says that a coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? So when a coin is flipped, there are two possibilities, head or tail. So probability of our team will start first is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon number of possible outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes is जो भी हम चूज करेंगे हेड या टेल सो हो जाएगा 1 एंड नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स so टोटल आउटकम्स जाएंगे हमारे पास हेड और टेल 2. So possibility is 1/2 means half. Thank you.